I just got adjusted and it feels so good. I call it my attitude adjustment. And I do the same thing for tons of people every day. Sometimes we all can feel cranky, or we can be sore, or we're just really stressed out. This all stresses our nervous system and makes a bad day for everyone. As a chiropractor, every time I adjust someone, their nervous system responds to the body the way it's supposed to work. It can wipe out stress, relax sore muscles, and get the body ready for a good night's sleep. And that's why people are so happy to actually see me. I'm Dr. Pete Lombardi, and I help the awesome people that live in Madison and Oneida counties live a happier, healthier life through the awesome power of the chiropractic adjustment. Tag someone who needs an attitude adjustment.